right, so the first hack sort of thing, I don't know if you've seen this, but it's you put a sandwich bag over your camera and then you put Vaseline on the edge so it makes a sort of like hazy effect. And it looks pretty cool, but it also looks kind of corny. So I shot this video with my friend Matt. He's helping me out, especially with the last one, which you guys will see is kind of crazy. So I don't know. Yeah, I feel like it could be cool. So basically what we do, take this sandwich bag and just kind of put it over like that. And then put a rubber band or something, a hair tie in my case, like that. And then you just put the Vaseline just kind of like all over the edge, not sponsored. So first thing I'm noticing is it's super hazy. It's almost like steamed up in here. Right off the bat, not loving this hack. So as you can see, the first time that we tried this, the photos turned out super hazy, just really blurry. They really don't look that good, and I wouldn't really recommend shooting this way. So we tried something a little different. Okay, so we realized we were shooting with a 50mm lens, and that's kind of why the effect, it just like didn't look good.
You weren't able to see any of the Vaseline that was around.
Yeah, it was just like all
the edges,
blurred.
So
we switched over to a 24 to 70mm lens, and we kept it on 24 the whole time. And then we did the same thing, put some Vaseline on it, all that.
it actually helps to be watching while it's happening.
Yeah, so you can kind of see like what exactly it's.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is looking good.
How's that? Is that good? Should we
Yeah,
try
now
this?
it looks like a dream. Oh yeah, do that up, that smile.
So you can already see in these pictures they look a lot better.
Yeah, working the hair.
It does have a pretty cool effect. I will say it still is a little bit hazy. It would look a little better, I think, if you put the Vaseline directly on your lens, but we didn't want to get it like super messy during this shoot. You can see at the 24 focal length, it just looks so much better. It actually looks pretty cool.
They, like this one, the ones that are more like portrait shots, straight up a dream.
Okay, I like it. Okay, this one's cool. I'd recommend trying it out actually, but try it with a wide lens and really don't be afraid to like put the Vaseline, like, I don't know, we probably did what, a 1/4 inch of it?
Almost a 1/2 inch even.
Yeah, 1/2 inch. Try it out. Okay, so the next one that we're testing out is, I think looks really promising. Like, I think it looks so cool. You put saran wrap over your iPhone flashlight and it makes it this really cool color so that when you put it on someone, it looks sort of like a gel effect, like if you're using, or if you were by a neon sign or something like that. So it's really cool for low light shoots. Yeah.
I'm stoked with the different colors too, hopefully involving like some blue or some purple.
Okay, so we just take the saran wrap. That looks pretty good. Yeah. Struggling.
You never took this class in college, did you?
Nope, I did not take saran wrap 101. So we'll just kind of lay this over my phone. And then I'm just gonna kind of like tie a knot on the other side. I did used to make DIY videos, so.
Oh yeah.
Okay, let's do red. I feel like that could be cool. And just kind of put it over the flashlight area like so. That's pretty cool.
On that yellow.
Oh, wait, now you kind of see. So we shot these ones when it was a little bit light out, so there's not a huge difference in some of these. I think they turned out pretty cool. It's definitely worth trying out. We also tried doing this to an external flash, so it's a lot bigger, and we thought that it would look really, really good and have this nice blue effect. But in reality, it just kind of made it look like you didn't set your white balance properly. So it looks kind of cool if you, I guess if you want like a cool toned look, but you can see it's not really like that colored spotlight that we're looking for. So instead we got 2 iPhones, colored one red, one blue, and then kind of held them out next to each other. So when we're shooting me, I just held them slightly out of frame, and you could see that they light up my face different colors and it looks pretty cool. If you had more people, then you could have them hold it or something like that, but I think that these photos turned out really cool actually. I love how it's kind of red and blue. You could do whatever colors you want though. And then here's the ones that I took of Matt. I love how one side is red and one is blue. I think that looks really good. I would say this one's a success, but yeah, it's better if you can get 2 iPhones. Cause like with just the one, it kind of looks like you didn't set your white balance right, but when you have 2, it's like you're by some neon signs.
It looks like you split toned the photo like while you were taking the photo.
Okay, so the next one is definitely the coolest, and we had to wait for it to be dark, but it is using steel wool to make this kind of long exposure photography where the sparks are flying everywhere and it just like looks like it's raining fire. So for this, you're gonna need a whisk, a lanyard, a lighter, an oven mitt, a tripod, some steel wool, and a fire extinguisher or something like that. So for this one, you start by setting your shutter speed to about 5 seconds. So you pretty much just stuff the whisk with steel wool and light it on fire. There's more of an in-depth tutorial on Matt's channel, but I figured most people kind of just wanted to watch this and we're not actually gonna try it. And then when it's on fire, you start spinning it in a circle. And press the shutter of your camera at this time and make sure that you keep it very, very still on a tripod for the 5 seconds that it's open. It's pretty cool. It's not as cool as the one I've seen on like Google Images, but we have like a ring of fire.
Ooh, I dig that though.
Then we did another one and Matt angled the circle a little bit differently so the sparks went in a different direction. I think this photo turned out so cool. Okay, hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below which of these effects was your favorite. Mine was definitely the steel wool photography, but I gotta say, don't try that one at home unless you like really know what you're doing. It involves fire, so be careful. I mean, if you're under 18, definitely just don't even try it. Also, if you guys want to book Matt, he's a photographer and videographer in LA. Yeah, so if you're like a YouTuber, you happen to be, or you just need some kind of like photo or video work, I'll leave down where you can book him down below, and I'll put his channel down below. And yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already, because I do a bunch of photography videos. And follow my photography account. It's called Snapshots by Shelby. I'm gonna start posting on it more. And just my normal Instagram account, Shelby Church. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!